cook papaya. So I'm going to pick my papaya because I'm going to cook some. This one is ripe. Yes, and I want a green one to mix with it. I'm going way up the top here to get this one. Oh, oh, nice. Yes, I think two will do me. Okay guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. You saw me earlier outside picking from my tree papaya. So what I'm going to do with the papaya today, I'm going to mix the ripe papaya with the green one. I'm going to curry papaya. I'm going to make a vegetarian dish. I'm also going to put mushroom and garbanzo bean. I said I'm going to curry it. And I'm also going to cook it down with real coconut juice. So stay tuned. Okay, let me cut my papaya. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Just the one I need. Okay. And I'm going to put half of this. I'm not going to put all of this. I'm just going to put half. Good. I do cut it. Dice it up like this. Okay, this look good. No more than this. Okay, I'm gonna wash my mushroom. This is very good, this part. Very good. All I do is just take out this. Okay, I cut these off a little, but these are very good to eat. I'm gonna slice them like this. I'm not gonna slice them so thin. You see it? All right, my pepper washer ready. I just go and cut off all of the pepper. I don't want so much. Okay, two scallions. Cut everything together. And I'm gonna use a whole onion, a big one. It comes with 2 pieces, and I'm gonna use everything. See, I also have a pepper. I have to be careful with this pepper. Oh God. Oh Lord. It's so hot. So I'm not gonna put everything in it. Okay? That's it for my pepper. Open my garbanzo bean and I'm gonna wash it. Because I'm gonna mix everything together, okay? Drain off the water. See it? Some little leaf on it. I don't want them to get in my food. Yes. going to blend my coconut juice. Already let you know that my gobanda bean and whatever I'm doing. I'm going to cook down my meal with coconut juice. I'm going to blend the coconut. You can use the thin one if you preferred. Anything you want. I like to use this coconut. Okay. All right, I'm going to mix everything together. The last thing I'm going to put in is my coconut juice. First, this is my papaya, ripe and green. It's a lot. I'm cooking for the nation. Also my mushroom together and my gobanda bean. Okay. I'm gonna put everything, my seasoning side, and stir everything up. This pepper smells so good. Wow, it's a lot. Okay, I'm mixing the curry with the turmeric. This is a tablespoonful of curry, a tablespoonful of turmeric, or teaspoon of salt, tablespoonful of garlic powder with onion powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and Mistress Dash. Okay, 2 tablespoons. Okay, I'm just gonna mix everything together. Smells so good, and it's not ready yet. Okay. I wait until it finishes cook down and see if it needs some more curry. So I'm gonna put the coconut juice, put it on the fire, and put some coconut. Okay. Okay, and bring this to a boil. If it needs some more curry, I put it on it. Where I think you're gonna need some more. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna cover it and put it and make it simmer down. Okay, I'm gonna put the next tablespoon of turmeric. I think this is good with it. Yeah, I think this is good. Guys, I forgot my garlic, so let me go ahead and cut up my garlic. Okay, my pot cooking down, and I also have some coconut juice. I'm gonna add some white rice to it and cook it down to eat with that. Just checking my pot. I'm gonna taste it, see if it needs anything else. Looking good, right? Tastes nice. I need a pinch of salt. I'm going to put some salt on it, just a little salt. Wow, it's rich and pretty. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon more of salt. That's it want, nothing more. Okay, beautiful, right? Look at it. Nice. Wow, look. Okay, guys, I think I'm ready. I think it is ready. Look at it. Lots of juice. Tastes so nice, I'm telling you. Okay, look. Nice, very nice, right? And my rice to go with. Okay, my rice is ready. Ready.